In grade 10 to grade 12, whereby you have to understand GAAP principle by all means necessary. Then is GAAP principle firstly for grade 10, those who doesn't know, general accepted accounting principle, general accepted accounting principle, general accepted accounting principle. That is GAAP principle and what it means. Then what does GAAP state? GAAP states that all the financial information or financial statement or the information of the business must be of transparency. There must be no fraud, mismanagement of fund or corruption. There must be accuracy. Everything must be recorded at their original time. And then understandable. It must be on an understandable language to all financial readers. And then reliability. All the they must be reliable. And then accountability. So those are the 5 things that you have to understand when it comes to the GAAP principle. Right. Then, how many GAAP principles do you have to indeed know? There are 6 GAAP principles. There are 6 GAAP principles that you have to know. And when they are being applicable, especially in grade 12. Then, number 1, we have historical cost concept, which is one of the GAAP principles. What does then historical cost concept says? Historical cost concept says all the assets must be remain or neither must be recorded or remain in their original cost price. That's why it's historical cost concept. All assets must be recorded at their original cost price. If ever you have bought an asset in 2015, in 2025 you have to record the cost price of that particular asset. The cost price doesn't have to change. That is number 1. Number 2, we have a matching principle. Matching principle, it is the one that says income and expenses of this financial or for this financial period must be recorded in this financial period, even though we haven't received the amount of money which is due to us, but we have to record that we have received that amount of money. Even if we have been paid the amount, but we have to record that we have what we have paid. That is the one of the most important principle, which is matching principle, because you can never do your income statement, neither your balance sheet, without understanding what matching principle, because it introduces to us what accruals, whereby we have accrued income, accrued expense, prepaid expense, deferred income, or income received in advance. These are the 4 accruals under the matching principle. What does the word accrued means? The word accrued means outstanding. Outstanding. That is the word accrued, which it means. Then accrued income, it